Hello guys, so today we have a new product from Sony. Yeah, we have the new Sony ZV-1 Mark II. Yan, again guys, this is a new product from Sony. Again, this camera is for vlogging. It's a pocket camera that you can use, or compact camera that you can use for vlogging. So if you want to upgrade from mobile vlogging into a camera vlogging tools, then this is the best option guys from the market. Again, the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. So before we're gonna unbox this camera guys, I'm gonna show you what is the new on this camera. First, it's again, it's for vlogger and content creators with a 20.1 megapixel Exmor RS BSI CMOS sensor. This is a wide angle zoom lens, which is this is a zoom again. It is a wide angle or standard zoom lens, which is a 18 to 50 millimeter equivalent with a aperture of f1.8 to f4 with the Ultra HD 4K 30p video HILG and S-Log 3.2 gammas. You have a 3-inch slide flip-out touchscreen LCD and touch focus, exposure control, real-time track and eye autofocus, focus switch with face priority AI, and cinematic vlog settings. SNQ shoot mode for slow motion is already there. And yes, this is the new Sony ZV-1 Mark II for vloggers and content creators out there. So yan, again, before we're gonna start unbox again with this new product, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we upload regarding photography and videography gears and new items and new products. So again guys, let's start unbox now this Sony ZV-1 Mark II. So let's start now unbox the new Sony ZV-1 Mark II. So if you see the box, it's typical, it's new box actually guys from the Sony. So before they have an orange white, but now it's white with the black. So let's open now. Okay, first you have the manuals. Okay, manuals, and you have here the camera with one small box. Yeah, it's a camera, and we have another box here, which is another accessories, which is I think it's the battery. Yeah, so you have 3 packs here. The first one, check. This is the so this is the dead cat or the windshield for the mic. Next is the battery, which is the BX1. Yeah, similar with the RX100 series and the first ZV-1. And of course our camera, which is the Sony ZV-1. Yeah, so okay. Okay, so this is the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. So it's almost similar with the first version, but yeah, size wise almost identical guys. So, yeah, so this is the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. Within the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. So I think that's it for today guys. Again, if you want to check the camera, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. The prices and the availability is already to our website. And again, if you want to check the camera itself, you can visit us here in Symphony Megastore showroom. And so also, if you want to know the prices availability for all the Sony product, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So all the product from Sony is available already to our website. So ayan, offers and discounts is already in our website. You can check there. So again, I think that's for today. Thank you and mabuhay.